Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme. First of all, you need to open Moto app. Then click on those three lines located at the top left corner. Now select Personalize and click on Themes section. After that, just click on the best theme for you, in my case Honey. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my Motorola has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, just click on Default at the top. You can also adjust your theme however you wish to. In order to do that, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then name your custom theme and adjust all of those sections. You can select wallpaper, font style, color of icons, and even icon shape. When you finished, click on Save at the bottom. In order to edit your theme, click on this pen icon next to the bin one. Then make your changes. Remember to tap on Save at the bottom. In order to apply your theme, just click on it. As you can see, when I go back this time, theme of my device was successfully adjusted. You can also delete your custom theme by applying any other one, like default, and choosing this bin next to pen at the top right corner. Lastly, confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!